2014 Nissan Rogue. Got a P0456 and a P0441 stored pending and permanent. Let's figure out what's going on. The first thing I'm gonna do is hook up my, smoke machine and run it through my evap purge hose. So this hose here goes all the way back to the fuel tank and the evap canister, the vent valve, all of that back there. Comes up here, goes through my purge valve and then through the intake manifold here. I've already tested my purge valve and found that it's working properly. Let's figure out what's going on underneath the car. So these lines here are for fuel and evaporative emissions. Follow them all the way back and I don't see any smoke here. However, what I found was that there was at some point a rear end collision on this vehicle, and my charcoal canister cracked in multiple places. So we need to replace the charcoal canister and retest all of the functions there.